Uber drivers don't get paid a fixed hourly rate. Every trip pays differently based on distance, time, demand, and local pricing rules, which means two drivers in the same city can earn completely different amounts on the same day. By the end of this, you'll know what Uber drivers actually earn in real-world conditions, what changes your pay the most, and whether it still makes sense as a side job in 2026. Here's how it actually works when you turn the app on. Uber pays per trip, not per hour. That means your income depends on how many rides you complete and how efficiently you move between them. Short trips can stack quickly in busy areas, while long trips usually pay more per ride but can leave you waiting longer between jobs. The biggest factor is demand. When more riders are requesting trips than drivers available, fares increase, and you see more consistent requests. When demand drops, you spend more time waiting, which lowers your hourly earnings even if each trip still pays the same structure. Location matters just as much. Downtown areas, airports, and event zones usually generate more frequent trips. Suburban or low-demand areas can lead to long idle time where the app is open but no rides are coming in. Vehicle costs also matter more than most people expect. Fuel, maintenance, insurance, and wear on the car all come directly out of your earnings. That's why two drivers with similar trip counts can end up with very different take-home pay. There's also a difference between busy and profitable. Being constantly active doesn't always mean better income if those trips are low value or spread far apart. Drivers who position themselves near consistent demand zones usually perform better than drivers who chase random requests. So is it worth it? It depends on what you're comparing it to. As a flexible side income, it works because you can log in and out anytime. As a stable full-time income, it depends heavily on your city, your costs, and how strategically you drive. If you're testing it, don't judge it from your first day. Track your actual earnings after expenses for a full week so you can see real performance instead of early fluctuations. Bottom line: Uber driving is flexible, demand-driven, and inconsistent by nature. Your results come down to location, timing, and costs more than the app itself. If this helped, like and subscribe for more real breakdowns of gig apps, without the hype.